Thanks everyone for joining in today. I really appreciate being here. My name is Bob Lien and I run explosiveoptions.net. Really thrilled and delighted to have Kathy Lien here with us. She's got a lot to say about currencies and about the QE and how it looks like going forward. I'm really thrilled and excited to listen to her talk with the group here today. But first of all, let's talk about the markets and talk about charts.
I actually believe that Europe is going to move into a slower phase of growth in the last quarter of the year as well as beginning of 2013 rather than stronger growth. But that may not stop the eurodollar from rising. And the reason why the eurodollar has performed so well, first and foremost,
what's your thought there? I mean, if they toss them out of the eurozone, is that going to be a major negative? Do they have a lot of risk there by doing that, or are they at even greater risk by keeping them in the euro?
Well, I would say it's initially negative and eventually positive because it's kind of like cutting off that arm that has gangrene. It's painful to do so. There'll be a lot of blood initially, but it's the right thing to do to save the body. So
this is probably QE forever, right? I mean, this is not QE3, it's QE. They're going to do what they have to do until they see unemployment levels at satisfactory conditions. I don't think they even pointed to a number, but I suspect it's around 7% or something like that.
Well, I think you do make a very interesting point that people aren't really talking about, which is that, what is the motivation for the moves by these central banks? Obviously one of the motivations is weak growth. But I think what could also be happening is that central banks may be getting nervous about the possibility of deflationary situations around the world.